Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious moi moi. If you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So lovelies, to begin I will first of all start by washing my beans, and I'm using sweet beans. Next is to slice my mackerel fish. As you can see, wash it after slicing it and parboil it with onions and some Maggi seasonings. So keep watching. So right now I'm done washing the fish. Next is to add in my sliced onions. As you can see, Maggi seasoning. After that I will add enough water and allow it to cook. So keep watching. So at this stage I will go ahead and start washing the beans, and I'm using warm water to wash the beans. I did not soak these beans. I don't use to soak it. It's easier when you use a warm water. Just go ahead and start washing the beans and you will see the backs will start peeling out. So keep watching. Okay guys, right now I'm done washing the beans. As you can see, the beans are well washed. It's clean. So the next is to start by blending it, but before then I will check the fish, and as you can see the fish is ready. I will remove it from fire and step it aside to cool down. Okay, keep watching. Right now we are about to blend the beans. So I will be using the stock water from the fish to blend the beans. Okay guys, yeah, so what I will do next is to remove the fish and use the water to blend the beans. Keep watching. As you can see, here is the water, so I'll go ahead and add it inside the blender and use it to blend the beans. Keep watching. And I'll also add more water to it, enable the beans to blend very well because my blender is not very strong. Yeah, so guys, right now the beans is well blended, as you can see. Yeah, so next I will go ahead and blend all the peppers and the onions, and I'm using one bell red pepper. So yeah, as you can see, it's well sliced. Next is to go ahead and blend it together. Okay, keep watching. So guys, at this stage I will be adding in some water to enable the peppers to blend very well. Yeah, so keep watching. So after blending, I will go ahead and add it inside, as you can see. So guys, at this stage I will be going in with some crayfish, as you can see. So next is to add in my Maggi seasonings. I'm using two types of Maggi seasonings. I'm using the chicken brown and the cow brown. Okay guys, and after adding in the Maggi seasonings, I will go ahead and add some salt to taste. Yeah, and the next one is to add in my chili powder. You can also add pepper according to your taste. You can also use fresh pepper. So next one is to add in some vegetable oil. Yeah, at this stage I will go ahead and mix everything very well. Make sure it is well combined. Yeah, so keep watching. But before I forget, if you are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you, I heart you, I don't take each and any one of you for granted. So continue watching. So I will go ahead and ladle the mixed beans into the Moi Moi cups, as you can see. At this stage, I will go ahead and start adding in the boiled fish. Please make sure you remove the bone. As you can see, I divided the fish into two and remove all the bones inside. Yeah, so keep watching. Next is to go ahead and cover it with the cover. But before that, I've already started boiling some water on the fire, which I will use to cook the beans. Okay guys, so keep watching. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. So right now I will cover it with a foil paper and allow it to cook for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah, keep watching.
1 hour later.
So my lovely people, at this stage the Moi Moi is ready. Oh my goodness, you can see how yummy, delicious it's looking. The taste is awesome. It's sugary lekker. Honestly guys, give this recipe a try and you will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, or if you watched this video to this extent, thank you so much. I believe I've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even
forget you.